Breaking news from Cave New Weather, potential tropical cyclone 3 is in effect and is expected to turn into a tropical storm late tonight into early tomorrow morning into the overnight hours. We'll be going over the live infrared satellite, the high definition future model, and the potential names for this. But we do start off with the current alerts. As you can see, we have in the red tropical storm warnings issued for much of southern Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Mostly southern Louisiana is the most widespread in tropical storm warnings. But in my opinion, or what I think based on the models, Louisiana and Mississippi are going to be the states that are hit the most. But we'll get into that. You can look at the model yourself and make your own opinion like that or your thought about it coming up. But let's get off with the potential names for it. Anna and Bill are already names that already happened. The two potential names for this are Claudette and Danny. There's two areas in the tropics that are big, but we're focusing on the one in the Gulf of Mexico, obviously. So Claudette and Danny are the two potential names for this. So those are two names that it could be. It could be another one. I'm not 100% sure on this, but I'm pretty sure. Let's get into our infrared satellite. As you may notice, this is the southern Louisiana coast right there, and they're starting to get some rainfall. Not very heavy though. Here is the big old storm right here, not organized at all, just all over the place here. Just a big blob of rain here, but it is expected to get more organized over time, especially throughout today and tonight, because tonight is expected to make landfall, and I'm going to show you the future models that you can see it's going to get way more organized. But again, here's the light infrared satellite trying to organize, but it is going to, but at this time, it's not organizing. But it will over throughout the day. Let's get into the most important part of this, the future model. As you can see, here's the big blob in the water right here. I don't know why, that's kind of funny. Again, as you may notice, it's a little bit lower from Louisiana than it was earlier. This is by 7 a.m., which is like probably 3 or 4 hours from the time this was uploaded. Here is it by 1 p.m. today, which is a few hours away. It is just barely about to make landfall. It's getting much more organized, and here, look how much more organized it is. It's on its own little area here. But that's not good though when it's organized. That means it's really strong, and that's about all it means really. It also means it's organized, but it's very organized, and it's in Louisiana and Mississippi here. So again, this can make major impacts. This is by 7 p.m. June 18th. So that's tonight. Then by 1 a.m. June 19th, it's getting even stronger, but it's mainly in Mississippi. So I think Mississippi could really be impacted by this. Because look, southern Mississippi is really in the strong part of this. So southern Mississippi, not just Louisiana, southern Mississippi, you guys do need to be prepared for this too. It starts to weaken a little bit by 7 a.m. the next day. But it's still pretty strong. It's in more northern Mississippi, but still, it's about south central Mississippi, starting to cross the border into Alabama here. And as it goes into Alabama, it's like Alabama's its state that it weakens. That's its weakness is Alabama, because that's when it starts to weaken, and really, it just turns into rain by that point. Like the first time it goes into Alabama, it's okay, but then a couple hours later, by 7 p.m. June 19th. It basically just turns into rain, and I really don't think Georgia has any threat at all at this time. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If this does have a potential for turning into a hurricane, which I don't think it will, but it might, there's always a chance, I will update you guys. But stay safe, stay weather aware. Share this to your friends if someone lives in the area that it could possibly hit. Stay safe, stay weather aware. See you next video. Bye.